Hi guys. So we are offering a subscription model for group 2 classes. That is your cost accounting paper, auditing paper, financial management and strategic management. So costing and FM will be handled by myself, okay, Bala Sir. Auditing is handled by Vikas Sir and SM is handled by Thulasi Mam. We are offering this at rupees 4,999 for a month, and people are writing in Jan 26. I think the best time to start your revision classes. So you can go for this monthly subscription, exactly a month for your examination. So it will be very useful, and there will be conceptual clarity. We're going to explain all the concepts underlying various topics, and we also have an extensive revision as well. And also we are having test papers that you can write and practice before you sit for the examination. Okay guys, so always remember the 3 P's, that is prepare, practice and presentation. So you got to practice, you got to prepare at least for 10 to 12 hours a day, and you got to practice a lot, that is write a lot of mock test. And also in our classes we will teach you how to present your answer in your answer book. So if you're going to master these 3 P's, you will definitely get one more P in your mark sheet. What is that? Pass. Okay. So bye bye guys. Please do subscribe for the classes.